Welcome! In this video, we will walk through designating a lab manager to help you manage your group within iLab. There are two ways to designate a lab manager for your lab. The first is to add a member as a manager. The second is to designate an existing lab member. For this example, we will be the PI, Jane Smith. To add a member as a lab manager, first navigate to your lab, and then go to the Members tab within your lab. Under Lab Members and Settings, you will see the members list. Under this list, click the Link Existing User button in the lower left of the screen. A new section, Add an Existing User, will appear along with a text entry field titled Invite Additional Members to this group. Simply begin typing the name of the user that you wish to add as a lab manager. We will type in Fred Nurk. iLab will perform a search and provide all users' names and email addresses that are a match in a drop-down menu. Select the correct user in the results pop-up by clicking on it, ensuring that the name and email address matches the user that you wish to add. After clicking on the user's name, a new line will appear where you can set some preliminary settings for the user. The new line begins with the user's name on the left, followed by a checkbox to allow ordering privileges for the lab. We will check this to give Fred ordering privileges. Next, there is a drop-down for Fred's member type. There are three choices. The second option, Manager, is used to set a user as a lab manager. Lab managers have all of the same permissions as a PI when managing the lab within iLab. We have set Fred's member type as manager. Optionally, in the next two fields, you can set the start and/or end dates for Fred's membership to the lab. These dates are great to fill in if you know Fred will be starting work in your lab in the future, or if he will be leaving, perhaps after graduation. To finalize the addition of this user to your lab, click the Invite button on the far right. Fred does not need to accept the invitation to be a part of your lab. We now see Fred Nurk as one of the members of Jane's lab. Refreshing the page will bring all the needed information on screen in the proper columns. If you hover over the Person Attributes icon in Fred's member line, the pop-up says that Fred is a Group Company Manager, or Lab Manager. We have just added a new member as a manager. In the case that you have an existing member of the lab that you want to promote to manager, you can easily edit the member type in your lab on the Members tab. Here we see that John Doe is listed as a member of Jane's lab. Jane wants to promote him to be a lab manager. After finding John in the member list under the Lab Members and Settings section, at the right of his row, click on the pencil icon to edit this member. Once you click on the icon, all of the fields except for John's name will become editable. In the third column titled ERP ID, click on the drop-down to see available member types. Select Manager. Then click on the Save button near the end of the row on the right. We have now added a new member as a lab manager, and we have promoted an existing member to a lab manager. For more information, please see iLab support at help.ilab.agilent.com, or you can view the Penn State training site at ilabtraining.psu.edu. Thank you for watching.